Today I'm going to be reviewing JOOLA Ben John's Pickleball set made with reinforced fiberglass and honeycomb propylene. So the paddles are really well made. They're solid. They're not heavy, but they're really well made. You get the 2 paddles, you get the 4 pickleballs, and you get a really nice case with that. And everything fits in there perfectly. So very nice set. This does really well on Amazon. In fact, it gets 4.6 stars. I'd like to see at least 4.4, so it beats that. It's got 375 ratings. It's a fairly new product, but amazingly, it is an Amazon Choice overall pick, and 800 of these were sold last month. So people really do like the paddles. Ben John's is sponsored by JOOLA, and they put together this set. Now, if you're looking to buy this, make sure you're seeing if there is a coupon. I can see right now there actually is a very good coupon on there. There's actually 2 possible coupons, so don't forget to click those or check them when you're checking out. Otherwise, you'll lose out on that discount. I bought these for my parents. They really like them. It's a nice, easy set to carry around. This case is absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for a pickleball set, I know this is a little expensive, but with the coupon, it's actually not that bad. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.